grassland leveling, removal of old sward, mechanical weed control, and grass overseeding in a single pass. Thor is a tine weeder designed both for grassland maintenance and mechanical weed control in arable crops. The machine is intended for farms keeping cattle and producing forage from their own meadows, for pasture owners, and for farmers who want to control weeds mechanically. The tine weeder helps restore neglected or intensively used sward. It levels the surface, removes dead plant residues, and prepares the ground for overseeding. On grassland, the tines destroy weeds at an early stage of their development, reducing the need for chemical crop protection methods. The first working element is the adjustable front leveling bar. It spreads out accumulated organic material, molehills, areas rooted up by wild boar and other unevenness that hinder subsequent mowing and harvesting of green forage. Behind the front leveling bar, 2 rows of heavy-duty 12mm tines operate. On grassland, they aerate the sward, comb out thatch, and remove dead residues that restrict the development of young plants. The aim is to clean the sward and stimulate its regeneration without excessively pulling out healthy plants. The third working section consists of 3 rows of flexible 9mm tines. On meadows, they separate the soil from the material pulled out by the thicker tines and clean the surface more thoroughly. Each of the 3 working sections can be adjusted independently. As a result, the 2 rows of thicker tines can work more intensively than the 3 rows of thinner tines. If the sward does not require such intensive treatment, the operator can reduce the down pressure of the first tine section or disengage it completely, leaving only the 9mm tine section active. The down pressure can be adjusted hydraulically while driving, adapting the machine's operation to the condition of the sward and the amount of material being combed out without stopping the pass. Additional adjustment of the tine working angle allows the working intensity to be set even more precisely according to the current condition of the grassland. Each row of tines is fitted with a safety cable threaded through the working elements. If a tine breaks or is damaged, the cable retains it on the machine, reducing the risk of leaving a metal component on the meadow or field. This is particularly important on grassland intended for subsequent mowing and forage harvesting. The tine weeder presented is equipped with a platform with steps and cedar mounting, as well as an AWEMAK pneumatic seed drill. It can be used for grass overseeding, sowing cover crop mixtures, or applying fertilizer. The material is applied during the same pass in which the machine levels and cleans the surface. The tines loosen the sward and improve contact between the seed and the soil. This means fewer passes, less time required for the operation, and lower fuel consumption. The frame of the version presented consists of 4 1.5-meter wide sections. Each section adapts to the terrain contours, allowing the tines to maintain even contact with the surface across the machine's full 6-meter working width. 4 support wheels further stabilize its operation. Despite the large working width, the power requirement starts at approximately 75 horsepower. Thor is also available in other working widths. The 1.5-meter model is designed for small areas and lower power tractors. The range also includes 3-meter and 9-meter versions designed for larger areas and higher work rates. Thanks to the independent sections, adjustable tine working intensity, and the option of combining the machine with a seed drill, Thor can be adapted to the condition of the grassland and the farming system used on the farm. Do you have extensive grassland whose condition you want to improve? Comment on this video or contact us directly to receive a quotation.